everybody, let's all witness the surprise of Adi. So Gina, come on, let's go. So everybody, wala mo ba tayo malakas sa palakpakan dyan? So, I'm so sorry. Natapakan ko pa yung lockdown. So everybody, let's all witness this. So ladies and gentlemen, Daddy, pakinggan niyo po, hindi niyo man kami makikita, pero alam mo, rinig niyo kami. So this time, ito po ang pinakamalaking sorpresang pinaghandaan ni Daddy para sa iyo. Kaya naman everybody, let's all witness this. Sabay-sabay po tayo magbilang in a count of 10. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Gina! Ito ang surprise na pinaghandaan ni Daddy for you! Everybody, isang malakas sa palakpakan po dyan! Wow! What a beautiful surprise! Grabe! Alright, and of course, tanggapin niyo po ang bouquet! Wow! At hindi lamang po yan, meron din tayong naka-ready! Wow, ano po ito? Wow, bouquet red chocolates, everybody, para pakatuli tayo dyan. At hindi lang yan, meron pa tayong nakikita. Wow, chocolates again! So happy birthday at hindi lang yan. Ito pa, isang celebrate for you! Happy 18th birthday! Gina, tanggapin po ang regalo ni Daddy for you. At hindi lang po yan. Meron pa, balloons! And, syempre, meron pa. Mukhang marami pa. So, alright, tanggapin mo ang birthday cake for you! Wow! Happy 18th birthday, of course. Alam natin na tayo happy birthday, pero syempre, your wish. And now ready to blow your candle in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Blow! Everybody, palakpakan mo rin natin to Gina. And thank you so much to Daddy. And this time, Gina and everybody, please, let's all hear the wish and message of Daddy.
Hello, my daughter on everyone. Happy 10th birthday. Enjoy your day. Lalang ka ni Daddy. And pasensya ka na, naging hindi ako nakapigyan. And yung sacrifice ko para sa inyo na niyo para sa akin. And sana appreciate mo yung ginagawa ni Daddy para sa inyo. And love ka ni Daddy. And I love you. And happy birthday, 18th birthday. I love you, baby. It's on.
Wow! Walang natin si Daddy. And of course, Daddy, wag mo munang papatayin yan. Alam ko madaling araw na dyan. Pero ito po ang pinaka-iniintay ninyo. Ang message ko naman kay Daddy. So everybody, let's all hear the message of the daughter of Sir Richard.
Pulisan po. Happy.